AGM is concerned, investors had one question. In fact, I interacted with some shareholders who wanted to know what really happens to the company here on considering the series of defaults that the company has announced over the past 2 weeks alone. To that end, we are given to understand, and also based on the interactions we had with the management on the sidelines, in which they indicated that they do have a plan that they want to put in motion, and that plan essentially is to bank on the sale of non-core assets. In fact, 14 of their 19 projects, they say, are ready to be sold, considering they have reached a stage of completion wherein this can be considered. But there are experts who are asking important questions as to how feasible and how possible is that really going to be, considering the fact that right now we are seeing a lot of liquidity crisis and we don't really have buyers who would have the ready money to buy out these assets that include land, for example, the headquarters in BKC as well. Apart from that, as far as the other most important part of the plan is concerned, is the rights issue that the company wants to launch by the end of October, which they say will also be subscribed by State Bank of India, Oryx Corporation and also LIC, wherein they are looking to raise about 4,500 crore rupees. This is something to watch out for that will help the company tide over the immediate funding requirement. But more importantly, what I sense is the fact that RBI will have to work with the government to ensure that many of the legal tassels are addressed, considering the very fact that the company has defaulted, and selling assets at this juncture may have legal tangles which need to be seen to. And to this end, I'm given to understand that RBI and the government will be working with IL&FS going forward.
Thanks, Neha, for getting us